Hey everybody, Brandon Shega here for week one of Java. Just gonna go over my project here really quick. My project was to do a body mass uh, index calculator basically. So the way it works is you input your feet, your height in feet, your height in inches, and then your weight in pounds, and you click calculate. Um, and it will calculate your body mass index based on a formula here that I found on the internet. So the formula basically is just your weight over your height squared times 703. It was pretty easy to set up at first. One thing that really was driving me nuts is I had these all set as ints. And when you do this math right here, the number is like 0.037. So I kept getting just as an answer of 0 because as an int it would just round it every time. So I had to actually change everything to doubles so that it would actually get a decimal number. This is my on click for the calculator. So basically it just sets the text for the index label, which is this label right here, to the return of this function. So here's the return right here. So I set it to this double index, and then I convert it from a string to a double. There were a couple of things I missed because I was trying to finish it up before it was due, and I didn't, I guess, fully read the rubric, so I didn't have a loop, and I didn't test for a Boolean or a condition or anything like that. I didn't really, I guess I could have just tested to see, if these were actually filled out, but I don't really know what I would do for a loop. Maybe as long as they were filled out, run the function. But overall, the application worked fully. I made a mistake, and I did everything in the actual XML, so this isn't actually what my program looks like. This is what it would look like if I use the GUI version, the graphical layout. But in here you can see I recreated everything in Java. The only thing I didn't know how to do in the Java version was how to make the text boxes only accept one type, so like a number, because normally these only accept a number, so you can only type it. Right now, if you type a letter into my current text boxes, the application crashes because it doesn't know what to do with the letter. So I tried Googling, but I couldn't really figure out how to do it. I'll have to do some more research on the developer Android page. What would I have done differently if I could? Probably just paid more attention to the instructions, which I'll definitely do in the weeks to come here. But I missed a couple points on not having certain things. I was actually used to Xcode putting your entire commented section out at the top, so I didn't even realize that this didn't have it. But overall, I'm having a good time in Java. I actually like it a lot more than Objective-C, mostly because I just have more experience in it. In general Java, when I took computer science classes in school, or in my first school. So I'm a lot more comfortable with Java than I was with Objective-C. I just think I need to pay a little bit more attention to the assignment. So, but overall, that's my project. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.